Looks like she can't breathe. I don't know if it's her nose or if it's like CHF or what. She's a stray cat. We named her Stray. See that? Breathing like that? Got her all tired. It's okay, baby. You want to go to sleep? Like her cheeks are bowed in. Her cheeks are bowed in. It's like I just want her to open her mouth to breathe. Maybe I need to give her some oxygen. I am a respiratory therapist.